sun goes up, you can see this beautiful sunrise. Look at it. It is truly breathtaking. And then if you walk on the side, so this volcano is the one that has water in it. And if you walk to the side, the one that has fire, the one that you came to see explode. I'll show you. Can't see anything anymore. Absolutely nothing. What is this? Ah. Okay, this is everyone just checking out the view right now. It's gorgeous. So my opinion about this, definitely worth it. You should definitely do it. It is freezing, so just make sure you're prepared. You know, once again, 4 pairs of socks, 3 pairs of socks, whatever. Layer up. And try not to like take it so seriously, you know, because it is draining, it is hard, it's very hard not to, but in the end, I think all of it's beautiful, especially the sunrise. Also at the night. I'm getting sick because of how cold it is, but also in the night, you can see the lava explode, which is really pretty, which you can only see at night. So yes, I would definitely do the night trip over here and just mark it off your bucket list.